Welcome to InvestMates. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a feature that helps you take care of not just your investments, but your families as well, the family portfolio. Managing your own portfolio is important, but we know that financial health extends to people who matter the most, your family. That's why we created the family portfolio feature, to make it easy for you to oversee and manage all your family's investments in one place. To get started, start on clicking Wealth section. Now click on the Family Portfolio button on the dashboard. Click on Add New Member to start creating your family and adding member. Click here and give your family a name. In this case, we are calling ourselves the Patel family. Now choose the relation of the person you are adding here. In this case, I am adding my father. Now if your father is already a user of InvestMates, just enable this button and search for his profile. If he is not, no issues. Let's create a new profile for him. Enter his name. Father's name is Patel. Enter his email ID. And phone number. Now please note that email ID and phone number should be unique for each user you add. Click on Continue. Now here you can see multiple assets that you can add to the portfolio. In this case, we are planning to add mutual funds. So I click on mutual funds. Give it a second to load. Now enter the PAN card number and mobile number of your father. Click on Get OTP and you will be receiving an OTP to the mentioned phone number shortly. Enter the OTP. And our app will start fetching your mutual funds. Give it 5 to 10 seconds and our app will fetch all of the funds. Your mutual funds have been successfully fetched. Now our app is trying to collect all those data and fetch it into our app. Our AI is also working simultaneously to give you best insights of all the assets and data that we are just fetching. With Family Portfolio, you will have a comprehensive view of your family's health. And by that, we have successfully fetched our data. Now here, you can easily switch between your profile and your father's profile. You can even switch to the family profile and see the complete investment data. Whether it's planning for your children's education or helping your parents with their retirement savings, InvestMates makes it easier to stay connected and in control. Start managing your family's financial future today with the Family Portfolio feature.